Something shocking is happening around the world. In countries like Japan, Spain, and Italy, there are now more pets than children. Yes, you heard that right. Millions of people are choosing dogs and cats over starting families. And this trend is spreading fast. But why is this happening? And what does it mean for the future of humanity? If you want to understand the real reasons behind this global shift and what it could mean for your future, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and watch till the end, because the final country will surprise you.
Japan serves as a prime illustration, having become the first nation where, in 2017, the number of pets in households surpassed that of children and teenagers aged 0 to 16. Since then, the gap between these two groups has only widened due to persistently low birth rates. Official demographic data shows that as of May 1, 2025, Japan recorded a new historical low in the number of children under 15, reaching 13.66 million, or 11.1% of the total population. This figure contrasts sharply with the nearly 20 million legally registered dogs and cats living in Japanese homes. According to a Goldman Sachs report based on data from the Japan Pet Food Association and Euromonitor and published by CNBC, this gap means that pets now outnumber Japanese children by about 31.7%. Since 2022, the number of pets has quadrupled the population of children aged 0 to 4. Data from Japan's Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare, cited by Japan Today, indicate that there is one dog for every 18 people. The Japan Pet Food Association reports that 24% of households own either a dog or a cat, 14% and 10% respectively. However, these figures are still lower than in the United States or the European Union, where pet ownership is more widespread. A Japan Pet Food Association survey published by Japan Today exploring why Japanese people acquire pets highlighted reasons such as enhancing comfort and relaxation at home, replacing deceased pets, improving communication among family members, and simply seeking companionship, among others.
In recent years, Spain has witnessed a significant transformation in family structures, driven by a sharp increase in the recognition of pets as full members of households. This change has led to the pet population surpassing the number of children among the country's total inhabitants. According to official data from the National Institute of Statistics of Spain, as of January 1st, 2025, there were 6,974,590 residents aged 0 to 16, with a downward trend and fewer children aged 0 to 10 than those aged 10 to 16. The latest figures from the Spanish Companion Animal Identification Network, published in mid-2023, indicate that 10,165,498 dogs and 967,834 cats were living in Spanish households. The reasons Spaniards cite for having pets differ from those in Japan. As reported by RTV, key motivations include loneliness among both the elderly and young people, cost considerations for couples given rising expenses, since pets are less expensive than children, and the increasing trend of viewing pets as family members.
According to the Express newspaper at the end of 2025, Italy now has more pets than children, highlighting the country's deepening demographic crisis. As the birth rate hits historic lows, pet ownership continues to climb. Estimates from the United Nations Population Foundation for the period 2024 to 2025 suggest that Italy has around 8 million people aged 0 to 16, accounting for approximately 11.7 to 12% of the overall population. This rises to 9.8 million and 16.2% if those under 18 are included. These numbers are far below the total count of registered pets in Italy, which exceeds 60 million across all species. Focusing solely on dogs, 8.2 million, and cats, 7.9 million, the total is 16.1 million, doubling the population of 0 to 16-year-olds and greatly exceeding the number of minors overall. In Italy, factors such as job insecurity, economic instability, and the rising cost of living, including housing costs, have played a crucial role in decreasing birth rates. Cultural changes have also led to a preference for pet companionship at home over having children.
A Goldman Sachs report using data from the National Bureau of Statistics of China highlights the country's remarkable transformation over the past decade, a trend expected to intensify by 2030, to the point where the number of pets in Chinese households will nearly double that of children under 4. In 2017, China had about 90 million children under 4 years old, compared to 40 million pets. By the end of this decade, projections indicate a population of 40 million children in that age bracket, compared with 70 million registered dogs and cats. Looking at the 0 to 15 age range, the official category provided by China's National Bureau of Statistics and compiled by Statista, the 2025 figure is 230.15 million. This still significantly exceeds the pet population, but with declining trends, it is projected to drop to around 163.9 million, narrowing the gap. Goldman Sachs attributes the falling birth rate in China primarily to fewer women aged 20 to 35 and a rising number of singles. Half of this demographic is unmarried. Couples in this generation are less likely to have children and represent nearly half of all pet owners nationwide.
For years, neighboring Taiwan has been among the countries with the lowest birth rates in Asia and globally, alongside Japan and South Korea. As a result, the number of pets in Taiwanese households has overtaken the population aged 0 to 16, according to a Taiwan Institute of Economic Research report published by The Telegraph. The figures are clear. While the population of children and youth in this age group was 11.5%, about 2.7 million, the number of dogs and cats reached 2.79 million, 1.48 and 1.31 million respectively, based on 2023 data from Taiwan's Ministry of Agriculture. This is attributed to waning interest in having children and a growing passion for pets.